Good day! For today's discussion, you will learn about the factorial notations. And the definition, this process of multiplying consecutive decreasing whole numbers is called a factorial. The notation for a factorial is an exclamation point. And factorial, for every positive integer n factorial is equal to n multiplied by the difference of n and 1 multiplied by the difference of n and 2, and so on. Factorial notations. The product 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 can be written in abbreviated form 5 factorial. The symbol 5 exclamation point read as 5 factorial. So 5 factorial. So we need to start at 5. And then, from the definition, it is decreasing whole number, so it will go 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and the answer is 120. We have here examples. Letter A, 2 factorial. So we need to start at 2, then multiply by 1. So the answer is 2. Example B, 3 factorial. So it will start at 3 times 2 times 1. The answer is 6. So that is so easy. Next example. Letter C, 4 factorial. So let's start at 4. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. Letter D, 6 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The answer is 720. That is so easy. Let's level up. Find the factorial notation of the following. Number 1, 4 factorial plus 3 factorial. So we have here 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 for the 4 factorial. Added to 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1. Next is to simplify. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 24. Added to 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is also 6. So we have 24 plus 6, and the answer is 30. For our second example, we have here 8 factorial minus 7 factorial. For the 8 factorial, we have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 minus to the 7 factorial, which is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. And the answer is 40,320 minus 5,040. So the final answer is 35,280. For our third example, we have 6 factorial over 4 factorial. 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. But you can see here that the numbers 4, 3, 2, and 1 is same with our denominator, so we can cancel 4, 3, 2, and 1. After that, you can see here that the remaining number is 6 multiplied by 5. So the answer is 30. Final answer is 30. Our fourth example, we have here 6 factorial over 6 factorial minus 4 factorial. So first, we just have to simplify the numerator, which is 6 factorial. Next, the denominator is a 6 factorial minus 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So first, we just have to multiply the numerator. So the answer is 720. And for our denominator, 6 factorial is 720 minus the 4 factorial is 24. And then 720 over 696. This is a fraction. We have to give its lowest term or simplify. So we need to divide it by their GCF, which is 24. So 720 divided by 24 is 30. And then 696 divided by 24 is 29. So the final answer is 30 over 29. Our last example, 7 factorial minus 0 factorial. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 minus 0 factorial, which is 1. By definition, 0 factorial is equal to 1. Again, 0 factorial is always equal to 1. So we have 5040 minus 1. The answer is 5039.